Yeah, man. Alright, now come.
Mommy,
What problem?
I can't go back Elizabeth's house.
You love God people here too much. That's all that you do a walk up and down.
Our mommy sister,
Our mommy 6 hours. Everything else that all you do walk up and down from one year to the other. Allah you dey tell family, you know Elizabeth come call you. Go along. You all like from morning. Go along where you want go.
Father God, I want to talk to you. You know, so I know why my daughter behaving like that. I have an idea. Father, forgive me. You know, say, I don't confess from coming to church about some things that I do. Father God, I beg you help me. You know, so I never treat John good at all. And I feel that that's the reason why my daughter behaving like that, you know. God, me remember the days when him used to give me one heap of money, you know, give me all I'm pay. And just because he made the mistake, Father, I do him like that. People might not know, but it kill me inside and I have to talk. He give me all I'm pay and I me spend the money and give him back what he use and go work. And just because him cheat on me carry him go court. God, and you know I never deserve it. And because of that, him don't even come around the fitness. Because me tell the court them say him is an abuser. Forgive me, God.